What's up, guys? We are here for another episode, and it's brought to you by naturally smoked f***ing oysters. These were given to me by my very good friend back here, Lana Condor.
Hello!
So, welcome Lana and Anton, my partner in crime, and today we're just gonna have like a really fun Sunday Glam Bam Thank You Ma'am Day.
Yes.
And I plan on cutting, you can take that, and the camera floats away. Magic.
Magic.
Today's plan, I guess, is cut your hair.
Yes.
Talk a lot about makeup. This is Emmy. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get right into glam and all of that stuff. But first, let's roll the intro. Is it going?
Oh, it's been going.
Oh, we've been rolling. Oh, okay, fantastic. Okay, guys, so for those of you that missed our live feed on Lana's Instagram, which we're going live in 2 minutes, thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. So now we can kind of see what you guys missed and all the fun we had on this amazing Sunday.
Yes.
Lana, what do we want to do with your hair? Cut it short?
Cut it short.
Okay.
Get rid of like the weird toppy stuff.
Okay.
That makes it look crazy.
Okay.
But I really want to cut it short and more of like a straight kind of
Like blunt.
blunt. Yeah.
Badass.
But we could even do like, I'm down to like, if you want to give it like certain.
Yeah, I think we give it like a total edge. Something really cool.
Yeah.
And keep it really blunt. We'll layer up just a little bit of the stuff on the outside
Yeah.
so that as we continue to style you and stuff, it still has that edge because I still like the like messy kind of grungy
Me
vibe
too.
to it. But let's keep it, let's just add a much more architectural.
Yes.
to it.
Yes. I
Okay.
trust you.
Okay.
Okay, so I am here with Anton and Matt. Woo!
Hey, guys.
Who are my glam dudes, my glam team. And we just decided we wanted to do a live to kind of show you kind of what our
Sorry.
to show you kind of what like we do all the time because we work together all the time.
Yeah, we've been noticing you guys have been loving a lot of Ms. Lana's looks, so we thought we could recreate a couple of them for you, and you can have a chance to talk with like her and her makeup artist Anton and me, her fearless hairdresser who tackles this madness of Maine. And yeah, and we'll probably have a little surprise for you too, because I think we might as well just cut your hair on live stream. So we'll cut Lana's hair off in front of all of you guys right now too.
Don't mess it up.
It's okay, I have hair extensions in my bag.
Hi, my name is Emmy.
This is Emmy.
Yes, you're a star.
Yes, she's superstar. I'm from Australia. Hi, my wife's in Australia right now.
Is she?
She's down under. Yeah,
Down under.
She's down under, mate. She's having a sausage sizzle with us.
And now they just see me way too much.
Like, way
We see
too
you
much.
just enough.
Can I just sleep?
And so I just got angry with him and I was like, with a beer.
I'm a diva and I won't get up that early to do hair, so Lana has to sleep in if she wants me to do her hair. That's all there is to it.
Or sleep while. he's
Or
doing
if you
it.
guys had missed that picture that we posted, yeah, she just sleeps as I do her hair, and that's usually how we get things done.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do?
It's so important to drink water.
No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
Trial and error, really.
So many years has gone by. But I think about you all.
There's all these different layers and textures, so we just wanted to
Looks
kind
like
of
you've changed
modern
my
it up a little.
all. Well, why didn't you call?
But I also feel my creativity sort of allows me to be versatile with her short hair too. And I think we've done some really fun looks with her short hair, and I'm really excited to get it even shorter to then show you guys the amount of different hairstyles you can do with this short little modern bob. 'Cause
This will be really cool to show that you can do a lot of things, even if you have short hair.
You do really cool stuff, like you like the little ponytail or like that crown braid. I was like, how is this even happening right now?
you're gonna see the focal point drop as well, and all the different styles I've loved before on Lana.
All the time.
And
You're just plugging away.
and I'll just let you guys start taking like control of Lana's hairstyles.
I love it. Well, a lot of times, like, I'll dream about it.
She dreams about makeup.
For hair, it's a little bit different because I personally, like, literally Matt gave me my first hairbrush. So So he takes care of my hair a lot more than I take care of it. So for hair, I would say it's usually, I'm just like, Matt, make it look good. You know?
You sort of do defer.
I do really defer to you because you know just way more.
Good job.
She says she defers to me
yourself.
for hair. It's a major moment for me. I'm crying
Oh my
inside.
God. Are you so happy?
Yeah, I'm really happy. Thank you. That's so sweet of you to say.
It's true, and I defer to Anton for makeup as well, but usually I have a color palette in mind. My biggest thing on my face is hydrating my lips. But everything I learn how to do my own makeup, everything is because of what I learned from you. It's true.
Okay, so
there's
we're still live back there. Lana's haircut's halfway done. Super blunt, section by section, basically. And
I love it.
yeah, she's doing a little eyeliner tutorial back there,
It's like obviously open and wide.
as you can kind of see. So we'll just continue this haircut, guys, and then we'll keep having some more fun. Hope you're enjoying.
So this is the secret.
This is the thing.
Okay.
Right here.
We're really into our cheeks.
Oh, we want to contour.
Yeah, 4 blushes on you.
Oh yeah.
Not to make it look like you have 4 blushes, but your cheeks are so delish that I like them to just look really multi-dimensional. So we'll do some cool
We love
cheeks.
we love to just. What's my favorite part of getting my hair done?
Your favorite part of getting your hair done is when you get to see it. The head massage. The head
I was
massage.
gonna say head massage, for sure.
Oh, I do a head massage on her every single morning. Beautiful.
Being a little princess.
Yeah, well, she gets her princess moment from Anton with all his like under eye things.
She had like pads under her eyes right now,
Excuse
but
me?
like this fierce eye.
Excuse me,
Sorry.
I'm cutting. I'm working with very sharp instruments over here.
I love my favorite part of a haircut is seeing all the hair that's leaving my head. Is that weird?
No, it's a lot. Some other hair tips that I've been doing with Lana, I think, is because you've been probably noticing she's very messy a lot of the times, which obviously entails I'm using my curling iron a lot. Don't use hairspray before you put any heat on your hair because the alcohol is going to make your hair sizzle.
I think you try to use the least, like you use only enough
Yeah.
of
So,
product. It's never way down.
like this side that's wet, I can control so much more. So if I'm doing anything very blunt and really architectural or something that has to be precise, I always want to cut it wet. If I'm doing things that's like more loosey-goosey and I want it to look a little more rock and roll or freeform or anything that's a little more like avant-garde of a haircut that has more of a feeling, I'll cut it dry because I just want to like
Really?
go through this and like start chopping at it and watch the way that it reacts. Also, I feel that if you have really curly hair, try to come in with your hair as curly as it can be, and let the hairdresser work at it like a bonsai tree, just because it's better than having your hair be soaked with water and then they're gonna stretch all your curl out, and when you get it cut, it bounces
That's
back.
so true. I love highlight on my nose. I've gotten into that more. Like recently, I loved it like this. So I think it makes, because I don't really have a bridge to my nose, because my nose is kind of like a button. So I love to put a little highlight right there, and then it makes it look more like.
Asian hair, because it is so strong, you guys want to like beat the life into it sometimes, where it's sort of like you have to, blow dry it really hard and then curl it and then do all this stuff. And sometimes it's just about embracing what you have. So when I do like her top sections and things that always have the volume, I like to set the root in really well. So if this is my curling iron, I like to really wrap the root and just like hold it there for a while. And again, like you use like super low heat.
Oh, for volume?
Yeah, for volume. And then what I do too is you want to make sure that there's tension on this. So like when I pull, like Lana can feel that coming from her root. Because if you just wrap the hair around it like this, you're not really doing anything. You're just heating the hair up. But if you pull on it, you're working with the elasticity of your hair and you're kind of making the natural elastins in your hair support your foundation. They're all set. Like no one's just like wrapping hair around a curling iron and like being like, oh, look at me, like with my no, they're all set. They're all set up in rollers. You think it's only what your grandmother does, but everyone still does that. Like you have to get the hair off the scalp and you have to get the memory of it.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. So it's like all of those girls and everyone you do, no one wants to show those BTS pictures because they're like, ew, rollers. But
I think they're kind of cute.
I
think we're gonna have a major roller moment coming back.
I think it's like showgirl, like off-duty, like.
Yeah. Term layers mean it's removing weight from the hair, and I'm not really doing that as much as like texturizing it. So it looks like that kind of vibes. So it always has this like really cool, airy messiness to it, without it looking like a mom haircut. Because if you get too many layers in it, it's gonna start looking mommy, and I want it looking still like
chic.
Yeah.
Hairstyle is going to be really, really like popular this summer.
I think so too.
You know, it is so freeing to have short hair, really straight, and then it looks very chic, like female James Bond spy.
Yes.
I love this because now I feel like it's gonna grow out proper.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's not gonna. How do you like it, Anthony?
I think you look really fucking sexy.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like it.
that. Yeah, totally.
Okay, guys, so Lana's haircut's almost done. We just got done going live. We went for a full hour and answered a bunch of questions. So if you guys saw us there, thank you for tuning in. All of the hair is on the ground here. Anton's just about ready to put it in to the. Yeah, it's a lot of hair. One of your toes right now.
Ew.
Cover him up, cover him up.
Cover him up.
So take me away, some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid, calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer. Oh, my Indian summer. Oh, my Indian summer. We crossed the borderline.
Haircut's done. The Instagram live thing went over amazing. Lana's haircut is done. So basically, we chopped off all of her length, put a little, what would you call this look makeup-wise, Anton?
This is just fresh and beachy and glam and just
So take me away.
wearable. Just fresh, easy.
This is so meta. Okay, cool. So let's look at Lana's haircut. Went really blunt with it. Go ahead and look at both profiles, Lana. So yeah, so that this way we get this really nice slice. This line here sits up and then comes out. It just gives it a little bit more of like an editorial nod, so it doesn't just like hook under and make her look like a bubblehead.
Yes, because we don't want that.
Run your hand through it, shake it. How does it feel?
Oh, it feels so good. It feels so healthy
Oh, good.
and light.
I
You
love
know.
to push back like that too, because I like seeing the lines
Yeah.
like underneath your jaw right there. It's really pretty. Your lips look incredible in this light.
Yeah.
Anton, good job. Then
I love
360
it.
for me,
It feels so good.
and then look down. Yeah. Oh, that line is gorgeous. Oh, wait, really class. Okay.
I love it.
Okay, guys. So that's it for me today and Miss Lana. Big thanks to her and to Anton. So Team Condor is out, and yeah, I guess this is big thanks to Anthony too for working some of the camera. And I'm glad that we could take you on this little journey on our Glam Bam Thank You Ma'am Sunday. And remember, this is the only place you want to get your hair matted. Please leave your comments below for me, Lana, Anton, Anthony, anybody. And yeah, we will see you in the next video.